Are you looking for the best way you can start your pie business? Then you don't have to look anywhere. You are at the right place. This was absolutely delicious, easy to make, and trust me, you will love it. Okay, if today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. You will love it here because we share easy recipes and also always the best. Without wasting much of your time, let's start. I have with me here my 8 cups of all-purpose flour, which is equivalent to 1,000 grams of flour or 1 kg of flour. I'll then add my nutmeg. I added half a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can increase it, okay? Now mix it very well so it becomes uniform. I will then go ahead and then add my 4 sticks of butter. Okay, this is 2 sticks, so I'm adding 2 of that, and it is equivalent to 454 grams, 16 ounces or a pound. Okay, we are going to mix it very well. Please do well to remove your butter or the margarine that you'll be using. Remove it and remove it from the fridge. Allow it to be soft, okay, before you use for your pie. As you can see on the screen, I am suffering before I can mix this, okay, because it is hard, but I'm in a hurry and I just have to do it this way so I am able to mix it very well. So if you don't want to struggle like this, just remove it ahead of time so that it can melt very well and it will be very easy for you to mix all the ingredients. Okay, so I'll just continue with the mixing so I get the perfect outcome I am looking for. This is where we've gotten to, and as you can see, I am still mixing it. It wasn't easy, so as I said earlier, just remove it ahead of time. Now we just want to get that perfect dough we are looking for, okay? But before we get the dough we are looking for, we just have to add liquid to this. You can use chilled water or you can use your milk, chilled milk to this. So I am just going to use milk and I'm adding it to it bit by bit so I get that perfect dough I am looking for. Do not just pour it on it like that, okay? Just add it to it bit by bit so that you won't get it very soft and you don't have flour to add, okay? But if it is hard, you can just go ahead and add more of the liquid than to get it very soft and you don't have flour. So add it to it bit by bit, and this is the outcome we are looking for. Now, whilst that is aside, I have with me here my corned beef and I've added some chopped onions. I will just give it a stir. We want to fry it a little bit, okay? There will be no need to add oil to it because the corned beef contains oil already, which we don't want to just waste our time and add more, okay? So this is how it looks now. What you saw earlier I added, okay? The immediate thing you saw on it was my pepper, ginger, garlic, and then onion. They were all powdered, okay? With this, there will be no need to add anything salt to it, but if you want to do so, you can go ahead and add anything salt to it, okay? Because the corned beef already tastes good and you don't have to just worry yourself. But there are some people, if they want it like that, I just add salt to it. If they don't want it, I just stay away from anything salt, okay? And with the corned beef that I am using, it is sodium less. Okay, it is less sodium. It does not contain a lot of salt. Okay, we have the one that contains a lot of salt and the other one does not. So this one does not contain a lot of salt. It is ready. We will set that aside, allow it to cool down very well, and this is our dough here. Okay, I am just going to use my rolling pin to roll the dough. Okay, just do this according to how thick or thin you want your pie. Okay, if you want it very thick, just go ahead and make it thick. Okay, I saw that and I was confused. I thought there was something bad that was in the dough, but I forgot I added nutmeg, which nutmeg is always black. Okay, so it wasn't something bad. Now this is what we are going for, not thick, nothing in between. Okay, you can use any cutter of your choice, but I'm going for my bowl. Okay, so that is the size we are going for, and just do it any shape that you want. I have done some of the pie already, which is which is in the oven. Okay, and this is the last batch I am doing. So cut it and then you are good to go. I decided to join that piece with the other one there and then cut it to get another pie. Now I will just put everything aside and then cut the last one before we proceed. If you are still with me, it means you like the video. Can you please like the video for me, share to others, and also leave me your comments in the comment section. Do not please add the pieces like how I am doing right now. Okay, just mold it into a ball again before you use the rolling pin on it, and then you cut it. Okay, I will show you why I'm saying this. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I am so grateful. Now I'm just going to add my corned beef and then the onion, okay, to it, and then we should be okay with it. Cover this very well and then seal it perfectly. As I said earlier, you can just use any color of your choice or just a bowl. Okay, so because of that crack there, that is why I said you shouldn't join them like how I did. Okay, just mold it into a bowl and then roll it, then you cut them. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same thing till I am done with everything. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Follow us for more videos. You can see this one has also cracked. Yes, it has cracked, but we are okay with it. Okay, so I will repeat everything till I am done with all the filling, and as I am doing this, I will be doing the rest behind camera and I will be with you shortly. I have the other pies in the oven already. Now at this moment, I'm preparing my egg wash. So I have my egg ready with some milk. I'm just going to brush the top with that so that when we bake the pie, we will get that golden brown color. Yes, and this will look presentable and also inviting. You can as well do this without using the egg wash. Okay, you can as well use only egg. You can use only milk as well, or combine the two. We place this in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. You just have to make sure you steady your oven very well so that you can get perfect outcome just like this, so that it will not burn. Okay, so just study your oven. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Let me see all your questions in the comment section, and I will see you in the next upload. Trust me, you can't afford to miss it. Bye bye.